If you're a journalist or researcher looking to streamline your process and gather information faster, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Browse AI for journalistic research, a tool that's going to save you time and boost your productivity. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial just for you. Browse AI is a powerful tool that lets you automate web scraping without any technical skills. Whether you're looking to extract articles, track content updates, or gather data for your research, Browse AI does all of that automatically. When it comes to journalistic research, time is everything. You can't afford to manually sift through hundreds of web pages or check for updates every day. That's where Browse AI comes in. It allows you to automate repetitive tasks like tracking specific articles, monitoring keyword mentions, or even checking price changes across multiple websites. Here's the beauty of Browse AI. It's designed for simplicity. Even if you've never used a web scraping tool before, Browse AI makes it easy to get started. You can set up your first robot in just a few minutes. These robots will watch web pages for any changes or new content, and automatically send you alerts when something important happens. What's more, you can also teach Browse AI to extract specific data points from websites. For example, if you're looking for particular statistics, quotes, or other key pieces of information for your article, Browse AI can scrape that data directly and send it to you in a neatly formatted file. This eliminates the need for copying and pasting information from multiple sources, making your research faster and more accurate. This is especially useful for journalists who need to keep up with constantly evolving stories. With Browse AI, you can track breaking news and updates across hundreds of websites with ease. And it's not just about saving time, you're also improving the accuracy of your research. The automated extraction ensures you're getting consistent, up-to-date information without human error. Now let's talk about what makes Browse AI a game changer for journalists. First, it's incredibly customizable. You can create robots that suit your exact needs. For example, if you're researching a specific topic, like political news or economic trends, you can program Browse AI to track and extract relevant information from sources you trust. Plus, it works across any website. There are no limitations to where you can scrape data from. Another advantage of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic content. A lot of web scraping tools struggle with websites that load content dynamically, like social media platforms or news outlets with live updates. Browse AI handles this perfectly, making sure you're always getting the most current data available. Whether you're a freelance journalist or working for a major publication, Browse AI offers the speed and flexibility you need. Not only does it allow you to focus more on analysis, but it frees up time so you can work on more important aspects of your investigation. You can access detailed insights faster and even automate the tracking of specific topics over time. If you're curious about getting started with Browse AI, you can use it completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonuses. This means you get full access to all its features and benefits without spending a dime. Remember, Browse AI isn't just about web scraping. It's about improving your research efficiency and staying ahead in your work. Whether you're compiling data, keeping track of evolving stories, or gathering in-depth information from various websites, Browse AI makes it all easy and automated. So as you can see, using Browse AI for journalistic research is a no-brainer. It saves you time, enhances the quality of your work, and allows you to focus on what matters most, the content. Don't forget to check the link in the description for that exclusive and extended free trial. Take advantage of it now and start making your research process smoother and more efficient than ever before.